Two changes are occurring simultaneously that are changing the practice of radiology. We are seeing databases of medical images opening up for researchers and commercial entities to develop algorithms over them. Secondly, we are seeing those algorithms bring us new understanding of diagnosis, and over time, they will prove to be more accurate than humans. These excerpts were taken from the forward-looking paper, 20% Doctor Included and Doctor Algorithm, Speculations and Musings of a Technology Optimist, which was written in 2016 by venture capitalist Vinod Khosla. In this paper, Khosla predicts how technology, and AI in particular, will affect the future of healthcare. Microsoft must have felt similarly because they did not sit idly by. Instead, for years, they have been developing AI-based imaging software with its team at Microsoft Research in Cambridge, England.
Regarding retail, Microsoft is up against the usual suspects, the well-established Silicon Valley firms. Google and Amazon control search and discovery respectively. Facebook and its Instagram app have a stronghold on direct-to-consumer marketing. And of course, then there's Apple, who have the iPhone. Enough said. So it's clear that Microsoft is on the outside looking in. Microsoft can't compete in terms of retail. The Silicon Valley firms have cannibalized the retail space, and so for Microsoft, the greater opportunity lies within healthcare.
The FDA approval is for the initial version of Microsoft's Radiomics application. What is radiomics, you ask? It's a quantitative field that results in the conversion of radiological images into mineable data and the subsequent analysis to support clinical decisions. Why is a radiology product relevant at all? In the last few years, venture capitalists have weighed in. By opening their pocketbooks into various AI/machine learning firms, they've made it clear that healthcare is ripe for disruption via software. In fact, 2017 was a record-breaking year for healthcare venture capital investing. In her Internet Trends report for 2017, Mary Meeker, a partner at the VC firm Kleiner Perkins, Caulfield & Byers, specifically highlighted healthcare as an irrational market. For the 20 years prior to 2016, inflation grew at 55%. More importantly, healthcare doubled the rate of inflation at 110%. VC firms have identified this and are funding all sorts of AI/machine learning startups to apply software to fixing specific sectors within healthcare. Microsoft read the tea leaves and applied their software expertise to medicine. Partnering with AI healthcare researchers like Ivan Tarapov and Antonio Cremonese, they developed InnerEye, a cancer imaging software application. Instead of blandly branding their AI imaging product as a radiomic application, it will be instead InnerEye. When it is launched, InnerEye will be an aid to clinicians and radiologists, but not a diagnostic tool. Radiologists will be more productive, not replaceable. Why is this important? Because with this FDA medical device approval, Microsoft has beaten GAFA to the medical marketplace. Consequently, they will have the opportunity to sell to hospitals and clinics before any of their direct competitors. As a result, Microsoft can build a moat around healthcare diagnostics. They have a massive head start at improving the broken American healthcare system. To do so, Microsoft and its CEO Satya Nadella must commit to Regulation 21 CFR Part 820, which is the quality system regulation from the FDA. Building out a quality system is resource-intensive and requires any firm to maintain procedures for complaint handling, non-conforming products, and the various other subparts that are mentioned within the quality system regulation. With InnerEye, Microsoft has planted the seeds for future successes. Once their quality system is established, future products can be rolled out in relatively rapid succession. The underlying AI software powering InnerEye can be tailored for new use cases. Developing more enterprise products beyond cancer imaging, or even transitioning to non-imaging consumer products, be them apps or wearables or otherwise, are logical next steps. Microsoft may have just passed a turning point in its history.